Hey guys, this is Blaine with Stocks for Beer Trading, and I'm looking at a couple stocks on watch for August the 30th. First here, let's look at Flow International, FLOW. Looking for the break over 370. Might not necessarily happen tomorrow, but decent chart here. If we can get over 370, might get 10, 20, 30 cents out of it. GALE had a nice little pop today, decent volume. Watch for follow through over 180. Last time it actually broke and held 180, it ran pretty hard. And it's definitely a former runner. It can get multi-day runs out of this thing, so keep GALE on your watch list going forward, especially if we're over 180. CTIC. Most biotech players hate this stock, but nonetheless is coming off bottom. And if we look at the 3-minute chart, what it did today, basically had a nice little consolidation period there between about 51 and 52 there most of the day. So if we can get through 52, that would probably be my play. And actually it looks like it's going to be, might even get a little gap up. And if it can get through that high, about 53.5 there, you might get another decent pop out of it today. DOMK. I was telling everybody in chat to watch this thing for close on highs. Might even get a gap up tomorrow, quick push. And watch dips to see if it can't hold and then go higher. We'll talk about this as it happens, but obviously this is a former pump and dump, so a lot of bag holders that'll be looking to finally get out of it if it actually makes a run. So it won't be too big of a run if it gets any more. So probably just a quick 5-10 cent trade off of it if it sets up. Again, I'll talk about this one in chat if it's there. AFFY. Well, sadly I remember talking about this thing in the chat room back in December and January and February and all these little perks and runs, but I mean, it's one of those deals where you looking back and you wish you would have held on to it when you first started mentioning it coming off these breakouts, because now it's almost, I mean, it's doubled. Nonetheless, watch for over 18. It could be setting up for another leg higher. Could get another couple bucks even. AVNR broke 310 resistance. Last time it did that back in June, it ran to 4. Not saying it goes to 4 again, but 350 is not out of the question, especially if it can get over about 320 tomorrow or the next day. Little support there back in July, and then there was a little resistance there back in March, and even resistance back in October. So the next level here I'm watching is 320. If we can get through 320, there's definitely room towards 350. Lionsgate Entertainment, LGF. I like this over 15. Could get a quick pop, 50 cents or even $1 towards 16, and then possibly 52-week high breakout there in the next couple of days or weeks if it can get through 15. Should be a good, friendly chart to trade if it breaks out. APKT. Alerted this thing in chat today. We're on the first little spike over 18. Nice breakout on the daily chart there. Obviously it ran almost $2. Now I'm kind of watching this thing for continued push towards 20 or even over 20. Still, I'm bullish on this thing. I won't be trying to short it or anything. This is definitely still a chart that has room to the upside towards 21 or 22 or even 24, 25 over the next few weeks. So could be a pretty friendly trader there as well. ASTX alerted the 285 break in chat today. Got you a quick 10, 12 cents out of it. Now watch for over 3 for follow through to get another 10 or 15, 20 cents out of it. And finally, PPHM. This thing's been on watch for a while now. You should know that. Played it a couple times for some beer money. Nonetheless, could have another possible trade in here. Looking for below 240 for the short opportunity, or if it can come out of this little downturn on the intraday chart there, to take it to the long side and head back up to test maybe even those highs or push back towards 270. So we'll just have to play what it gives us. Nonetheless, there's some stocks to watch, guys, so let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the chat room.